There is a problem affecting nearly all agricultural nations, especially third world countries. This problem is poor farm management due to inefficient use of time, resources, and energy. Some symptoms of the problem are the North Korean famine as a result of poor crop management, poor yields in cotton farms in India, water pollution incidents in Scotland, and in New Zealand it is found that poor management can waste more than 50% of the nutrient value in the soil. So what causes the problem? Poor management of crops and farms, uneducated farmers and central planning, and unmotivated farmers to service all areas of the land. So, the core problem is poor management of crops and farms. For width and depth, we will be using the example of the North Korean famine to demonstrate the result this problem can have on a country. Width. The problem of poor crop management is quite broad and has economic impact on any farming or agricultural nations. Depth. If the problem is left how it is, there will continue to be inefficient farming. If farms continue to be mismanaged by uneducated farmers and the system of central planning, who is to say that circumstances like that of the North Korean famine will not repeat? Of course, there have been some existing solutions for this problem, but we have found that there are some elements that are not efficient. These systems only measure the moisture in the soil, not the pH or nutrient level, and are only able to be used in areas with GSM coverage and internet connection. They rely on battery power, which is inconvenient. The last example is made up of multiple devices and requires the farmer to test sites manually. This is time-consuming and inefficient. Our solution consists of several devices all working together. At the heart are the probes, which are placed in the field at predetermined intervals. These devices monitor soil water content, pH, and nutrient levels at different depths in order to work out the overall health of the soil. They are powered by solar panels attached to the probe itself. The data is transmitted through a LAN via Wi-Fi to a handheld tablet, which processes it and gives the farmer a simplified analysis of the overall health of their field. It gives alerts when water, pH, and nutrient levels are either too high or too low, and how to remedy the problem. The tablet also tells the farmer which crops would work best in that soil, and allow them to keep track of the crops that they have planted. The use of LAN and Wi-Fi means that neither GSM coverage nor an internet connection is necessary, which is key as there is a shortage of both of these in the developing world. This system will improve productivity, which is a relevant category of value. It allows farmers to monitor large areas easily.